Hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. If you're new to my channel, my name is MariiiBajariii, also known as MariiiBajariii here on YouTube. Hello, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we're kind of just gonna do like an unwind with me, get unready with me. Had a long day, but I'm home now and I wanted to just film kind of just me taking off my makeup, just talking to you guys, and just a chill get unready with me. So if you guys are interested to see that, then I suggest to keep on watching. But before we start this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you're notified every single time your girl posts. And without further ado, let's get right into today's video. I quickly want to mention something that was sent to me, and I am very thankful that it was sent to me because this is definitely a big brand. Let me go grab it. So FabFitFun actually reached out to me. So although that FabFitFun sent me these products, all opinions are my own. But oh my gosh, I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of FabFitFun. If not, let me give you a little rundown. So this box is basically a seasonal box where they send you beauty favorites, fitness favorites, lifestyle favorites, all types of stuff. So this is the members pick box, and what you do is basically pick the items that you want inside of your box, and when you use my code, you get this box for only $40. So I'll show you what's inside, but basically everything in here is at least worth $200. Honestly, I think it's more because the one item that I got in here is worth $128. So I'm so excited to show you guys. So when you open it up, it looks like this. They give you some coupons for like some wine, some HelloFresh coupons, and then kind of just a whole rundown of what you're gonna get inside your box and what FabFitFun is. This is what it looks like. So let me show you guys what I got. So the first thing that I see in here is this makeup eraser. All you have to do is pretty much add water to this cloth and it takes your makeup off. I am happy that I got this because I am trying to cut out makeup wipes in my routine because there's so many good benefits, but I'm happy that I got this makeup eraser. And then I also got this super cute necklace right here. It is by Amber Seats or Sets. I'm not too sure how to say it, but I live for necklaces that have like that little coin effect. I don't know, it's super cute, so I'm happy that I got this inside of it. And I also got some beauty products. So I got this clay mask. We all love a good face mask. This is by Generation Clay. It is a brightening purple clay mask, so it's a fun little purple color. They also gave me this hand cream that's a coconut scent. Obviously, with this whole COVID situation, your hands are gonna be very dry from washing your hands constantly. At least they should be, because you should be washing your hands. So yeah, this is a hand cream, which is coconut and shea butter. And I also got this no pore primer by Touch in Soul. So the one thing that I would not like about subscription boxes is that most of them just give you travel sizes or sample sizes, but not with FabFitFun. They literally give you all full sizes for only $40 when you use my code. So of course I'll have the code right here for you guys, but let me continue to show you guys what else I got. So I also got this sponge. So it says Beyond Cleansing. It is super cute. So it looks like a little flower. It smells so freaking good. So basically it's like a little sponge, but you wet it and it turns into like a more squishier, like a loofah. It has soap in it, and this also helps exfoliate your skin. So it's like a 3-in-1 body wash, sponge, and an exfoliator. So this is super nice. So this next item I was super excited about because I love like big bags when it comes to like traveling or going to the beach and stuff. And this bag came inside of my FabFitFun box, and can you guys believe that this retails for $128 when you only pay $40 for this box? Like, you already beat the whole price with this bag right here. It is super nice. It's a black bag. I feel like everyone needs a staple black bag in their collection, and it has a lot of space inside. So I feel like this would be a very good bag for like traveling, like carrying on the airplane, or just an everyday bag. Like if you just need a nice black bag, this one is super nice. Last but not least, I got a diffuser by Pottery. It came in this box. I actually took it out because I was too excited and I already have it set up, so let me grab it. And it looks like this. I feel like this is gonna be perfect for my fall aesthetic. I'm gonna be decorating my room, have fall colors, pumpkins, all the new tones, and it smells so freaking good. So yeah guys, I highly recommend if you guys would like to try FabFitFun out. You can get all of this for literally only $40, and if you don't like some of these products, you can customize it and pick other options. So they literally give you a list and you can click what products you would like to receive in your box, because again, with some memberships they kind of just give you like a little sneak peek of what you can get, but sometimes you won't get that item. But now with FabFitFun, you literally get to choose the item that you want, and it's literally only for $40. And you guys saw all these full-size products, and for the prices, like, you literally cannot beat all of this for only $40. So if you guys would like to purchase one, I will have my discount code right here. So originally it's $50, but when you use my discount code, you get this box for only $40. So I highly recommend that you guys go and check out FabFitFun. All right, guys, so I went and ran some errands today. I went to Marshall's, didn't really find much, and then grabbed some food, and now I am back home and time to take this makeup off. I just wanted to kind of just do like a little settle glam today. This glowy makeup right here. I have been loving this, where is it at? I have been loving this new Benefit Hello Happy Air Stick foundation. It is so freaking good, and it does not come off with the mask, so it's mask tested and it's approved. So now we're going to get unready. It is kind of hot in here. I don't understand why, but if you start seeing me sweating, don't mind it. But yeah, so I kind of just wanted to like do like more chill videos, like the old YouTube vibe, and just to sit down and talk through. Is not too much of like, I don't know, you guys get what I mean? Like, there's some videos that are kind of just over the top, unnecessary. But now we're gonna get unready. So where is it at? Okay, so I'm just gonna take these lashes off. And also, I have been trying to like stop using makeup wipes. I don't know, I heard it's like, you know, better for your skin to stop using makeup wipes, and obviously better for the environment. So I actually picked up these like cloths from Amazon. Come in this big pack right here for only like $6, I believe. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet this really quick, and I'll be right back. I went to go wet this, and of course I washed my hands. You always want to make sure you have clean hands before touching anywhere near your face. So I'm actually gonna go in with this cleansing balm. I picked this up from Target. This is by Verse, the Day Dissolve Cleansing Balm. Like I said, I'm trying to stop using makeup wipes, and I don't know how I feel about this cleansing balm. I'm not used to oil like removers. I don't know, I just don't like the feeling, but I'm trying it out because again, I want to stop using those makeup wipes, and I'm using a different finger every single time I put my hand in. I just have the oil on like this, and I think you can massage it with your hands, but I have this cloth, so I'm just gonna wipe it off. I don't know, the first time I used it, I wasn't really like a fan, but the more I use it, the more I kind of start to like it. The first time I used it, I hated it, I'm not gonna lie. But then some people were like, just apply a little more. And I feel like they said it works better when you have like more of a full face of makeup on. So I have like foundation, everything. So we'll see. But it does literally slide right off, as you guys can tell. And this cloth is very gentle, so it does not tug on the skin at all. The only thing I feel like I have a problem with is like the eye makeup area. Like the mascara is harder to take off, but that can just come off when you wash your face. Alright, so the makeup is pretty much all off. So now I'm gonna go in with my cleanser. You guys, I have been obsessed with this Fenty Skin line. You guys have no idea. I am in love. So this is the oh my gosh, there's water in it from my shower. So this is the Fenty Skin Total Cleanser. I am obsessed with it. I love it because I love me a good cleanser that foams up when washing your face, because if it doesn't foam, I feel like it's not getting the job done. But this one is amazing. It smells good. It's very delicate on the skin, but it gives you like that good cleanse. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face in my bathroom, and I'll be right back. All right, so I am back now. My face is all freshly washed. So I haven't done a mask in kind of a long time, so I think it's time for me to do a mask. So I'm gonna go in with the Generation Clay Mask from my FabFitFun box. And I love when masks have like a pretty color, because it just looks and feels cute like on the skin. And I'm just using my silicone brush from Dollar Tree. Apply it like so. Doesn't really smell like anything. And then apply it in the face. Do you guys usually put your mask like on your mouth area? I never know if you're supposed to put like your mask there. I don't know. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. But then on my nose area, I like to go in with my finger because it just works better. Put a little. Okay, so now that the mask is on, we're gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes and then I don't know if it hardens. Yes, it does harden. Alright, so I think my camera cut me off because I had to go charge it because it died. But I basically said I'm going to wait 10 minutes and let my mask harden. So I let my camera charge for about like 9-10 minutes. And the mask is definitely hard now. So I'm going to attempt to take it off with one of these little cloths, so wet cloths. Because I see people do that with the face mask besides like actually going to the bathroom and rinse it off. You could do that too, but I kind of wanted to just try this method out. So here goes nothing. Oh shoot, I thought it wouldn't work because it's hard. Oh, damn, it comes right off. Are these like magic cloths? You know, like sometimes when you have a mask, a clay mask that hardens, when you try to go rinse it off, my skin just is very sensitive. It's not in pain, it just turns red when I wipe it. But as I was saying, when you have a clay mask and you try to go rinse it off, sometimes like it literally takes forever to rinse off. But with this cloth, it comes off so easy. Even though I'm using a cloth, I'm still gonna go rinse it off just to make sure I got everything. I don't have any leftover residue. I'm pretty sure you don't have to do that, but I just recommend it just so you know you cut it all off. But as you guys can tell, it literally almost cleared it all off. And it is very gentle on the skin. So I'm just gonna go rinse my face off one last time just to make sure I got everything off, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and rinsed my face one last time. But before I go in with any moisturizer and stuff, I'm actually going to moisturize my lips. This is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This is literally my go-to lip balm. It keeps the lips super hydrated, and it even gives a cute little glossy look. So if you need a good lip sleeping mask, I highly recommend this one. I have been using it probably for like 3 years now, and it's my go-to. Okay, so now that I have cleansed the face, honestly, okay, so now that I double cleansed already, so we did the oil cleanse and then we did the total cleanser by Fenty Skin. So now for some serum, I'm going to be using the Fenty Skin Fat Water. I am literally obsessed with these two Fenty products. So don't get me wrong, I love the moisturizer, but I love that more for like under the makeup, not so much of like my nighttime skin routine, because that's more of like SPF and stuff. And yeah, so that one's good, but not for like my night routine. So I'm gonna go in with the Fat Water. I love this so much because I love me a good serum that's like, I don't know, I've never had a serum like this Fenty Skin one. I like that you can use your hands with it and you could feel it, because when I have like the oil based ones, I feel like it just makes my face too oily. I don't like the feeling. It feels kind of like, I don't know how to explain it, but this one, it's just super lightweight, but it smells so good, and it helps with refining the pores. So I really like to focus it in this area right here and on the nose, and then kind of just put it everywhere else. So I have been using Fenty Skin since the day it came out. I ordered it, got it, and I literally have been using it every single day. And if I were to recommend purchasing any Fenty Skin products, I would definitely say the cleanser and the Fat Water. I am obsessed. I literally use them twice a day. Oh my gosh, twice a day. So before I do my makeup, and then when I end my whole skin routine at night, I go in with both of these products. So highly recommend getting those two from Fenty Skin. They're definitely worth it. And like I said, I ordered this when it first came out and using it twice a day, and look at how much I still have left. I literally have been using it so much and I still have a lot to go. So I love that their products are very large and they're good. So they're gonna last you a pretty long time. And I believe it's only like 25 or 28, so the price isn't too bad. It is obviously a little pricier than drugstore skincare, but these are definitely worth it. Okay, so now for the last part, I'm gonna go in with some moisturizer. This is the Cerave Daily Moisturizing Lotion. It's crazy because I have seen this lotion so many times around my drugstore, and I finally gave in a few months ago, and I was like, okay, literally everyone raves about it and they say it's so good, but it just never caught my eye because the packaging. Something about the packaging just gave me like body lotion vibes. I was just not having it, but then I was like, okay, let me try it. And I am literally obsessed. I cannot use any other moisturizer. I have purchased other ones and I always find myself just coming back to this moisturizer. It is very moisturizing, but it does not give you that oily feeling. So with me in skincare, I do not like any oily feeling on the skin because it just feels gross to me. So I am obsessed with this Cerave moisturizer. I literally use it again like twice a day. So in the morning before I do my makeup and to end the night. Alright, so my camera died again and I was really interrupted, but I just gonna end this video because I can't just like pause my skincare routine with this camera dying. So I charged it for like 5 minutes and I'm back. But so after going in with some moisturizer, I would go in with my Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream, but I am completely out. I need to restock. So that is pretty much what I do for like my nighttime skin routine. I like to keep it short and simple, not too many products. I would occasionally use a face mask, not all the time, just because sometimes I just don't have the time to do it, but tonight I did. But yeah, that is pretty much it for my skincare routine. Probably brush out my hair a bit because it's a little bit naughty. And after, I'm probably going to take a shower, chill, and watch some Grey's Anatomy because who doesn't freaking love Grey's Anatomy? I started Grey's Anatomy when this whole like quarantine situation started because, you know, I knew I was going to be locked in the house, so I should start a new show. And I am currently on season 13 and it's just getting more and more sad. Everyone's leaving and it's making me mad. But anyways, yeah guys, that pretty much concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unwind with me and also enjoyed my little FabFitFun segment. Again, highly recommend you guys go and sign up for a FabFitFun membership. Don't forget to use code Bajari for $10 off your first membership order. Only $40 for a whole lot of products, a whole lot of full-size products, and it's definitely worth your money. So yeah guys, that is all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, comment down below what you like to see in the future. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to mine and Angel's channel, which is MariiiBajariii and Angel. The link will be down below. Stay blooming, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.